Okay, so in this video we have been asked to generate a random number, okay, and that random number is going to represent a temperature, and that temperature will be in Fahrenheit, and our program is going to convert that temperature into degrees Celsius. So here's the formula for converting a temperature in Fahrenheit to a temperature in degrees Celsius, right? And we want to display the random number that we generated and the temperature in a message to the screen, and we want to round the result to the nearest decimal place. So let's go into our IDE and we will get that program written. So we need to import the random library in order to generate the random number. So we'll do import random. And I'm going to generate a random integer just because it's easier. So I'll call my variable for Fahrenheit just f. So random.randint is the function from the library, and we're going to generate a random number between 0 and 100 Fahrenheit. Okay, and then we can apply the formula, which is going to be 5/9 times the temperature in Fahrenheit minus 32. And then we can print those values to the screen. I just have to remember I need to round my C value when I'm displaying it. So we'll print so the random number that it was generated, Fahrenheit. I think I spelled that right. Equals, and then we will round our Celsius value to 1 decimal spot, and we'll put Celsius. So it should display the random number in Fahrenheit equals, and then whatever the Celsius is, Celsius. So you can see the output over here if we run it. So 63 Fahrenheit is 17.2 degrees Celsius. Now we could check that with Google, I guess. Okay. Or 71 Fahrenheit is 21 degrees Celsius, 21.7, and it will just keep generating a random number every time I run the program.